Welcome to PIB News Podcast for Civil Services. Delivery of indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant. Indian Navy has created maritime history today by taking delivery of the prestigious indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant from her builder Cochin Shipyard Limited, Kochi. Designed by Indian Navy's in-house Directorate of Naval Design and built by Cochin Shipyard Limited, a public sector shipyard under Ministry of Shipping, the carrier is christened after her illustrious predecessor, India's first aircraft carrier which played a vital role in the 1971 war. Coinciding with the celebrations to commemorate 75th anniversary of India's independence Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the reincarnation of Vikrant is a true testimony to the country's zeal and fervor in pursuing capability build-up towards enhanced maritime security. The 262 MTR long carrier has a full displacement of close to 45,000 tons, which is much larger and advanced than her predecessor. The ship is powered by 4 gas turbines totaling 88 megawatts power and has a maximum speed of 28 knots. Built at an overall cost of close to 20,000 crore rupees, the project has been progressed in 3 phases of contract between Ministry of Defence and Cochin Shipyard Limited, concluded in May 2007, December 2014 and October 2019 respectively. The ship's keel was laid in February 2009, followed by launching in August 2013. With an overall indigenous content of 76%, indigenous aircraft carrier is a perfect example of the nation's quest for Atma-Nirbhar Bharat and provides thrust to government's Make in India initiative. With the delivery of Vikrant, India has joined a select group of nations having the niche capability to indigenously design and build an aircraft carrier. Vikrant has been built with high degree of automation for machinery operation, ship navigation, and survivability, and has been designed to accommodate an assortment of fixed-wing and rotary aircraft. The ship would be capable of operating air wing consisting of 30 aircraft comprising of MiG-29K fighter jets, Kamov-31, MH-60R multi-role helicopters, in addition to indigenously manufactured advanced light helicopters and light combat aircraft. Using a novel aircraft operation mode known as TOBA, short takeoff but arrested landing, the IC is equipped with a ski jump for launching aircraft and a set of arrestor wires for their recovery on board. The ship has large number of indigenous equipment and machinery involving major industrial houses in the country, as well as over 100 micro, small and medium enterprises. The indigenization efforts has also led to development of ancillary industries, besides generation of employment opportunities and bolstering plow-back effect on economy, both locally as well as pan-India. A major spin-off of this is the development and production of indigenous warship-grade steel for the ship through a partnership between Navy, DRDO and Steel Authority of India, which has enabled the country to become self-sufficient with respect to warship steel. Today, all the warships being built in the country are being manufactured using indigenous steel. Several design iterations, including use of 3D virtual reality models and advanced engineering software, were used by the Directorate of Naval Design in shaping the design of the carrier. Cochin Shipyard Limited had also upgraded their shipbuilding infrastructure, as well as enhanced productivity skills during the building of the ship. Delivery of Vikrant was marked by signing of acceptance documents on behalf of Indian Navy by the Commanding Officer Designate of Vikrant, representatives of Naval Headquarters and Warship Overseeing Team, Kochi, and by the Chairman and Managing Director on behalf of Cochin Shipyard Limited, in the presence of senior officers of Indian Navy and Cochin Shipyard. Vikrant has been delivered to the Indian Navy by Cochin Shipyard Limited following extensive user acceptance trials conducted between August 2021 and July 2022, during which ship's performance, including hull, main propulsion, PGD, auxiliary equipment, aviation facilities, weapon and sensors as well as seakeeping and maneuvering capabilities were proved satisfactory in accordance with trial protocols and system parameters. The delivery of Vikrant today is a culmination of a long design, build and trials phase, during which both Indian Navy and Cochin Shipyard Limited had to overcome multitude of unprecedented technical and logistic challenges including COVID-19 pandemic and changed geopolitical scenario. The successful delivery of the indigenous carrier, a major milestone activity and historical event, is testimony to the dedicated efforts of large number of stakeholders within Indian Navy, shipyard, industry, original equipment manufacturers, and micro, small, and medium enterprises for over 2 decades. The indigenous aircraft carrier would soon be commissioned into the Indian Navy as Indian naval ship Vikrant, which would bolster India's position in the Indian Ocean region and its quest for a blue water navy. Thanks for listening. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.